Good morning, students. Today we are doing chapter 5, The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. The chapter focuses on the factors that are responsible for the declining health of the earth. The chapter was originally an article written by Nani Palikwala, which was published in the newspaper, The Indian Express, on November 23, 1994. The writer discussed the green movement, how a zoo in Zimbabwe declared human beings as the world's most dangerous animals. The writer also focused on overpopulation, deforestation, and what should be our responsibility towards the environment. Now I tell you the gist of the chapter so that you have an idea. In this chapter, the writer raises an issue towards the deteriorating health of the earth, declining, health of the earth. As human beings have been exploiting natural resources from decades presently, the condition has made the environment critical. In 1972, the Green Movement helped environmentalists to raise awareness about the harmful condition of the earth, and since then there has been no looking back at this movement has been successfully educating people about the conversation of the environment. Earth is like a patient whose health is declining and is a duty to improve it. In 1987, the term sustainable development was used by the World Commission of Environment and Development. A zoo in Alaska, Zimbabwe has a cage in which a sign reads, "The world's most dangerous animal," and inside there is a mirror. It gives a message that human beings are the most dangerous animal. Are we to leave our successor or scorched planet of advancing disasters, impoverished landscape and ailing environment? They are the four principal biological systems that forms the foundation of the global economic system: fishes, grassland, forest and croplands. These four systems also provide food and raw material for industries, except for minerals and synthetic. While these systems becoming unsustainable, fishers will collapse. The forest will slowly disappear. Grassland will turn into barren wasteland and cropland will become worse. In poor countries, forests are being cut down for fuel, which is used for cooking purpose. There are some areas where the cost of fuel wood is more than the cost of food. It is leading to the deforestation at an alarming rate. One of the reasons for this exploitation of the environment is the increasing population. It is observed that about 1 million people is increasing in every 4 days. There is not a good sign. There is an urgent need to control overpopulation in the world. Development is the best for the problem as it will help to reduce infertility, increase in education and income, and improvement in health. We must see that world as a whole and not as a dissociated part. It is a holistic and ecological view. According to Lester Brown, we have not inherited the earth from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our future generations. Now let's go toward the explanation. First, I have there this line following till relevance. One cannot recall any moment in the world history one cannot recall till the back. Grab means clutch or hold. Green movement is a movement which stresses people to follow environmentally friendly practices. The chapter, The Healing Planet, the Green Movement Role was an article, this time explaining, was published in the newspaper The Indian Express on November 24, 1994, written by Nani Palikwala. He wrote about the declining health condition of the earth. The Green Movement, which started nearly 25 years ago from 1994 to spread so quickly in the world history, the world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand in 1972. Now, the second paragraph we have shifted till preserved. So sometimes our views have shifted from seeing Earth and resources as irreplaceable to complete opposite. We now understand that our resources need to conserve for future generations. Copernicus taught mankind how the Earth and other planets revolves around the Sun, and it was a complete change which evolves human perceptions. Now, the Earth is seen as a living organism for which we are an integral part. Earth has its own metabolism and vital needs which humans should respect and preserve. Now, the next paragraph, the Earth vital till would need till here. Ethical obligations means when someone is required to do something based on righteous standard of views. Ethical obligations. Ethical obligations means when someone is required to do something based on righteous standard of rules. Stewards manage or to look after. Sustainable development, economic development without depletions of natural resources. Earth is now like a patient whose health is declining. We as human beings are now realizing our duty to be good managers of the planet and to be responsible trustees to conserve the environment so that we can pass a legacy to the future generation. Sustainable development was popularized in the year 1987 by the World Commission of Environment and Development. In the report, sustainable development is termed as a type of development that meets the needs of the present generations without wasting or compromising with natural resources so as the future generation can meet their needs. The rest I will explain you in the next class. Thank you, students.